Hello and welcome to this episode of how to change a key fob battery if you have a Ford. I have a Ford F-150. Honey, what kind of vehicle do you have?
2016 Ford Edge.
She has a 2016 Ford Edge. Both fobs are set up the same way. I get the feeling that a lot of these fobs are like this. So that's what my fob looks like. We're going to need two of these CR2025 batteries. Flip this thing over here. What you need really is you need a butter knife and like a sharper knife. I use a sharper knife to get it open. And then switch to a butter knife. So okay, here we go. Push this little tab in here and kind of gently, carefully get your sharp knife in here and then split it open carefully. So we do that, open that up. Here's your spare key in case you're ever wondering where that is. We'll take that out. And now here comes the tricky part. There's a little lip right here on this end. You use a screwdriver or a butter knife and you carefully pry that up like so. Then there's two little tabs. Doesn't want to come out. There it goes. And there's two little tabs like that. And here's our batteries. Take note of how they're in. You're going to pop one out. That one's faced up. Have this piece of paper here. Oops. Swing that guy out of the way. Fold him over or whatever. Pop out the other one. Alright, so now we'll put this one in face down. This is like just battery grease. I wouldn't worry about it. If you see it in there, it helps make the connection. Most likely that's what it is. Then we put our piece of paper back, and then we click this guy in face up. And then we make sure that this didn't come out. If this comes out, then it's not going to be hitting the buttons right. Flip this guy back over. We're going to align these two tabs and evenly try to snap it into place here, like that. I think it's in there. No, it's not. There, now it's in. You want it nice and flush in. And then we're gonna replace our key. Whoop. Put that tab underneath. Replace the key. And then we'll replace the fob. I did it backwards. You gotta put the butt end in there first. Okay, back to this. I forgot this part. You have to get this little tab in here and then snap it down. Let's go test to that. Quick little pro tip. You might actually have a remote starter and not know it. See this little 2X button? If you lock, so our fob works. That's how you work a remote starter too. Thanks guys, please like and subscribe.